true or not true, Ms. Elmore?
True, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna accept your pleas of true on both cases. I will find them true. And what is the plea bargain? Is it the same in both cases, Mr. Sanchez?
We're doing time served. Mr.
Okay.
King? Is that correct?
Is that correct, Mr. Goins?
I believe so.
Okay. In cause number 681338, we've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 17 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Okay. And it's 688-985?
And then in cause number 688985, we've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 16 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
That's your agreement on both cases, Mr. Goins?
It is, Your Honor.
And is that your understanding, Ms. Elmore?
Yes, Your Honor.
So in both cases, I'm going to judgment satisfy your cases. Therefore, you do not have a right to an appeal. If you have no more holds on you, which I don't think you do, then you should be out sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck, okay?
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Michael.
May I be excused, ma'am?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, leave them on. As long as they're in here.
Okay, Mr. Cuellar, now you need your,
If I could speak to my client, but I already spoke to her and I got the offer from the state, and we can do the paperwork. I filled it out, and she'll take the offer.
okay, have you filled it out with her? Because I don't have it yet.
No,
I
no, he
haven't.
hasn't been in the room yet, Judge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've only done my portion.
Yeah,
Send him to a room.
and then, yeah, well, so we can put him in another breakout room, like room 8, Judge, and just hold him there until I can get rooms open, and then I'll put him in.
One is
he'll be the next
open.
one up.
One
Okay,
is open.
One is open.
Oh, okay. Then that's Mr. Cuellar's case. I need Miss Betty in there. I don't know how to
Betty.
pronounce Betty. Okay.
And Mr. Benton, you need to talk to the DA or your client?
I am just waiting for the discovery acknowledgement from the DA. I've already spoken to the line prosecutor about the offer. I talked about my client today. The floor will be filled out. So just, I guess, head me to my client and I think we'll knock it out.
Okay. So in just a minute, we'll put you in a room, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
We are ready on, oh, where's Monica? There. We're ready on Juan Casanova.
Correct.
Mr. Casanova, raise your right hand for me.
He's open.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand. This is 704-065, State of Texas versus Juan Casanova. Mr. Casanova, you've been charged with the offense of simple assault against an elderly person. I know you want to enter a plea of no contest. I need to talk to you about your rights, but let me get everybody to say who they are. Who do we have for the state?
Stephen Sanchez for the state, Your Honor.
And for Mr. Casanova?
Monica Guerrero for Mr. Casanova.
All right, Mr. Casanova, this is a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten a $4,000 fine, up to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. You understand you have the right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, and the right to remain silent, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're waiving those rights in order to get your plea bargain, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Ms. Guerrero?
He is, Your Honor.
He's been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you've represented him the over 10 days?
I have, Judge.
Judge, we need to
Okay.
stop the plea.
Stop the plea.
The prosecutors in 14 do not want a time served offer, so You're gonna have to get this case reset, Monica, or you need to call Carlos because he's telling me no. Because they
Judge,
want to.
he has over almost 40 some odd days from Hidalgo County and another bunch of days here. The maximum sentence is a year in jail. I have the proof of the time that he has been in jail. This case is from 2021.
Okay, I understand that, but can y'all work this out or?
Well, if they're saying that I'm gonna have to take a year, then I guess not.
What court is this?
This is in court 14, Your Honor.
Who's that?
Judge Key.
Okay. I guess we'll get a reset on it then.
All right.
Sorry, Ms. Guerrero.
I'm sorry, Miss Guerrero. It's these prosecutors.
Can I
It's
be
not me.
excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you're gonna excuse. I'm sorry also, Mr. Casanova, your attorney will figure it out, okay? You're gonna get time served at some point because you have enough time in Hidalgo, but we just can't do it today. I'm
Thank you.
sorry, sir. Okay, good luck. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your patience. When y'all heard what happened in, I mean, that's gonna do the same thing that happened in Yolanda Huff's court.
What?
Oh, I had to do a motion to recuse hearing on you.
Do it again?
I mean, on her.
That's
Because
Oh
she
yeah.
wouldn't
Oh
give-
yeah, I remember that.
Couldn't
Yeah.
consider the full range of punishment.
Yeah.
Not, and the whole courtroom was,
Yeah. I wish I was there. I was in trial at the time.
yeah. Monica is on presiding Zoom if we change our minds, she just said.
Okay, I emailed the prosecutors what's going on, so I'm gonna wait to see. But
Okay, just let me know. I got her on my, we're texting if need be,
okay.
if need be. Hi, Miss Fernandez.
Good morning, Judge.
You need to talk to the DA or just your client, ma'am?
Just my client.
Okay, Miss Terry will get you set up.
Yeah, I'm gonna just move you right now to room 7 until I get a room open. They're all busy, but I'm moving you right now. You'll be up next.
Thank you.
Just take your time. Don't break your ankle.
Hey, don't take Casanova back yet, please. Unless you already have.
No, he's outside. Was
Okay,
he on
good.
probation?
We'll just keep him for a minute until we hear from the DA in that court, okay?
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's just waiting outside. He's not gonna leave
Okay.
yet.
Cool.
Steven, can you send me the probation terms for McCleary, I think her name is? McCleary.
McCleary. Okay, yeah, let me look it up.
Yeah, if you could chat them, thanks.
Okay, give me a
So I
second.
can prepare conditions.
No, he's gonna stay. He's annex. So he's not gonna go anywhere.
Yes, sir.
First one is a
McCleary, is McCleary ready?
McCleary. McCleary.
She's a female.
Okay, what about her?
Yeah, she's ready. What do you want?
No, where's she gonna put her at? On someone's lap?
No. Have you seen your attorney? No. Her attorney's in room 1.
Or, okay, well, I can't, they're not gonna sit on each other's lap. You know they're still in there.
Which client do you have on 1?
Betty.
Betty.
Have a seat. We'll call you in a minute, okay? Why did she go out of the restroom by herself?
Okay, sounds good.
Where did she just come from? So we gotta close the door.
She opened it.
Who did?
Oh, the restroom?
Yeah, because she just walked out. She just came out of the restroom. That one that's standing up right there.
Mr. Cuellar?
Yeah, just checking. We haven't seen any paperwork that's been sent over, right?
Yes, sir. I think you already signed your paperwork. Did they not bring it up?
I signed mine, but Miss Betty is ready to sign hers.
Um,
We hadn't seen that yet, but maybe it's there. Maybe it's popping up.
check your email because it looks like I have the paperwork still at your computer. That's where I sent
Okay.
you the reminder this morning.
Okay.
Check,
All
check
right.
that, check on that.
Yeah. Let me go check on that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, we need Montarius Gibson. Mr. Gibson, let someone unmute you and then we'll start. One second.
There you go.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Gibson. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this call will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Oh, yeah, I do. I ain't
Okay,
fucking
put your hand
debating on
down. Thank you very much, sir.
it.
This is 727-983, State of Texas versus Montarius Gibson. Who do we have for the state?
Steven Sanchez for the state, Your Honor.
For Mr. Gibson?
Joanne Echo, judge for Mr. Gibson.
All right, Mr. Gibson, you've been charged with the offense of criminal trespass. Looks to me like you want to plead no contest to this charge. I need to talk to you about your rights first. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say could be held against you. You have a right to a jury trial, the right for your attorney to question any witnesses, but you're waiving those rights in order to get your plea bargain. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. That's not what you're getting. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied your client's mentally competent, Ms. Equal?
Yes, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
And have you represented him over 10 days?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I'm going to accept his plea of no contest, find him guilty, and tell me what the plea bargain is, please.
Judge, I'm gonna go open on this plea. I'm gonna read the plea offer from the court 14 prosecutors, but I believe me and Joan are in agreement for time served, but I'm just
Okay.
gonna read that agreement,
Yeah.
okay? So they're offering a $250 fine, court cost, 6 months of deferred adjudication, 30 hours of community service, an anger management course, a no contact order with Karen Johnson and 611 South Presa Street, Suite 106. Alternatively, Judge, we're also in agreement with a $0 fine, court cost, 16 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
And Ms. Eagle, which one are you asking for your client?
The time served offer, Judge.
Okay, and Mr. Gibson,
Yes,
you'd rather have the time served than that probation, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know that probation, I just want to make it for the record, you know the probation, it's a deferred, which means this would stay off your record. It's a criminal trespass, so you'll just have a criminal trespass conviction. You understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to follow the plea bargain, what you're asking for. I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. What that means is you cannot appeal. However, you are not on probation for it, and if you have no other holds, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good luck to you, Mr. Gibson.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. May I
Thank
be
you,
excused,
Mr. Court.
Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
He gets to go back.
No, he's here with us.
I think Mr. Vinton is ready, Judge.
All right, one second.
Soto. I hear Mr. Soto.
I'll be right with you, sir. Give me one moment. Go ahead and raise your right hand for me, sir. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand. All right. Who do we have for the state?
I'm sorry, Steven Sanchez for the state, Your Honor.
That's okay. And who do we have for Mr. Soto?
Tim Vinton for Mr. Soto.
All right. Before we go into everything about the plea bargain, I've got to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have a right to a jury trial. It looks to me like you want to waive those rights to accept the plea bargain that your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Right.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. You're charged with the offense of evading arrest. No contest plea is what you want to enter. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine, up to 1 year in jail. That's the full range of punishment. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Mr. Vinton, are you satisfied that your client is mentally competent?
I am, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Which case are we going forward on, Mr. Sanchez?
Judge, we're gonna proceed on 7299908, the evading, and we're gonna dismiss the resisting.
All right, then I am accepting his plea of no contest to the evading. I'm going to find him guilty, Mr. Sanchez. What's the agreement?
Judge, we've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 18 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We ask the court to take into consideration cause number 729909, which is a resisting case, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
All right, is that your agreement, Mr. Soto
Yes.
and Mr. Vinton?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Mr. Soto, I'm going to follow your agreement. So on 729908, it's a $0 fine, 18 days in jail. You've got credit for 18 days. That means your judgment is satisfied. Your other case, 729909, has been taken into consideration or dismissed. Therefore, if you have no holds on you, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, and you do not have a right to an appeal. Do you understand all that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Miss,
Mr. Quare, you can move to room 3. Your client is there. Whenever you finish.
What happened? Come over here. Throw your gloves away. Come over. Two's open.
okay, and we're ready on Stephanie Rodriguez.
Yes, Judge.
Hi, Ms. Rodriguez. Raise your right hand for me. There you go. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Who do we have for the state?
Steven Sanchez for the state, Your Honor.
And for Mr. Rodriguez? And
Ms.
Mrs. Rodriguez, I'm sorry.
Kelly Fernandez for Ms. Rodriguez.
Okay, 694-752, State of Texas versus Stephanie Rodriguez. Ms. Rodriguez, you've been charged with the offense of theft, $100 to less than $750. It's a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in jail, which is the full range of punishment. You have a right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent. It looks like you are waiving those rights in order to get your plea bargain. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're pleading no contest to the charge, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Fernandez, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
I am, Judge.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She has.
And have you represented her over 10 days?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I've accepted her plea of no contest. I'm finding her guilty. Tell me the agreement, Mr. Sanchez, please.
Yes, Judge. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 9 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding, Ms. Fernandez?
It is, Judge.
And Ms. Rodriguez?
Yes.
Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to follow that plea bargain, which means you can't appeal my decision. But this judgment is satisfied, which means if you have no other holds, you'll be out sometime today or tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Judge Cornelius is the last attorney I'm waiting for. He's doing his paperwork, Judge, and he'll get on and but he needs to talk to the state whenever he gets on. But he said he'd be on in 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes and counting, hopefully. Cross his fingers.
Betty, you're done?
Ms. Cuellar, you ready?
We're done.
All
Yes,
right.
I believe we're ready.
Miss Betty,
Hey,
you mind if I call you Miss Betty?
No, I don't.
Okay, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. Just say your last name for me, please.
Uyango Lele.
All right. Where are you from?
I'm from San Antonio.
Where's the name from?
The name is from American Samoa.
Okay. All right. This is 700-180. State of Texas versus Miss Betty. You're here today on an MTR. Who do we have for the state?
Steven Sanchez for the state, Your Honor.
And for Miss Betty.
David Cuellar for Miss Betty.
All right. So you're here today on an MTR for a criminal trespass. And I'm going to let Mr. Sanchez read the number he wants to talk about.
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to proceed on condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Betty Ugalele, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December 2023 and January 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
Is that true, Betty?
True.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea of true. I'm going to find it true. And what's the agreement, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 74 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Mr. Cuellar, is that your agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Did she have another case? Is that why she's been in so long?
That I'm not totally sure.
Okay. Okay. You have any other holds on you, Miss Betty?
No, ma'am.
This is it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm gonna follow that plea bargain. I'll have $0 fine, 74 days in jail, credit for time served. That means the judgment's satisfied. You do not have a right to an appeal. You should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
We don't have no more.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Cuellar, you're excused.
Miss Davis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nice seeing you.
You too.
We only have him and her. Oh, then we're gonna go into the bonds.
Okay, we got to put Mr. Cornelius Cox in with Mr. Sanchez, please.
Correct, Judge. Room 6. Moving you to room 6, Mr. Cox.
All right, thank you.
All right, Cornelius, you got your offer?
Yeah, we're gonna plead true to the MTR, and what they're gonna do is that they're going to TIC one, and he'll plead to another theft case, and he'll get credit time served.
Okay, but you're pleading to one theft.
Correct.
Okay,
And
got
then
it.
and pleading true to the MTR.
Okay, got it. I'm moving you to room 2, Cornelius. That's where your client is.
And I don't want to see your ear, Cornelius. I can see
Oh.
inside your ear.
Okay.
It's
Moving you to-
clean. At least it was clean.
Thank you, Judge.
Moving you to 2.
And we're on
That's
Zoom,
my
so
good ear.
everybody saw your ear.
Judge, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can you do a no contact order to a location? That's
Yes,
not
we
really.
can do that.
You can
can
do
do that.
that?
Yeah,
So that's like you can't be on the property at all?
correct. Like if they stole from a Kmart at such and such address, they can't go
Uh-huh.
back to that Kmart.
Okay, all right. I was just curious. Thank you.
It sounds weird, but you could do it.
Yeah.
And Stephen, on Rabago and Cornelius's Cox case, which case are we going on, and which one are you TICing?
We're gonna proceed on 719-441, and then I'm gonna TIC 720-908.
908 is the TIC. Got it. Okay, got it. Okay. Perfect. All right, thank you.
This is toned down. This is toned down. You should have been there. I talked to one. Judge O'Connell. Language. I know, I've known him for 20-something years. I can't hear anything. I said, me too, Chris. Three gloves away.
Mr. O'Donnell, you ready? Oh, here he is. All right.
Ms. Cleary, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. This is 715523, State of Texas versus Katrina Lillian McCleary. Who do we have for the state?
Stephen Sanchez for the state, Your Honor.
And for Miss McCleary.
Brian O'Donnell, Assistant Public Defender, Your Honor.
All right. This can be a probation case, correct?
That's just deferred on an obstruction.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Judge.
Is there a motion to reduce this from a DWI to an obstruction of highway?
Yes, Your Honor, we're gonna waive and abandon count one, proceed on count two.
All right, and no
Objection, Judge.
objections. Then I will follow that. So do you understand that, Ms. McCleary? We're going forward on obstruction of highway, not a driving while intoxicated.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I understand you want to enter a plea of guilty to this charge. Before you do, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. That means you don't have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial, have the state bring in any witnesses against you, and your attorney could ask questions of those witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at paperwork, you don't want to have a jury trial in this case. You want me to go along with any plea bargain that your attorney has worked out with the state of Texas. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. O'Donnell, are you satisfied that your client is mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor. We reviewed video together in my office.
Great. And how long have you represented her?
Oh, it's been months, Judge.
Okay. Why are you back in jail, Miss McCleary?
I had a warrant for a missed court date.
Oh, okay. All right then. Let's continue forward, and I'm gonna accept your plea of guilty, but I'm gonna withhold a finding of guilt at this time. I'll ask the state, what is the agreement?
Judge, we've agreed to a $500 fine, court cost, 12 months of deferred adjudication, 48 hours of community service, a DWI education course, a victim impact panel, a TAP evaluation, an ignition interlock for half of the term.
Okay. You understand, Miss McCleary, if I follow this plea bargain, you will not be able to appeal this case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. O'Donnell, is that your agreement with the state?
It is, Your Honor. However, my client, she lost her job, so she doesn't have a vehicle. She's going to be staying with her father, who will not allow her to use a vehicle. We'd be asking the court to consider the portable device, and I would ask the court to consider lowering the supervisory fee if possible.
What court is this out of?
14.
This is 14, Judge.
All right. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to, Mr. O'Donnell, I'm going to probate the $500 fine because I don't know about court costs if I can do that with this court. But I'll probate the fine in full.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then a 12-month deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, the DWI education course, the TAP evaluation, victim impact panel. In lieu of the ignition interlock for half the term, we'll use the portable device. They'll explain what that is during your meeting with your with a probation officer, Miss Valverde, who's on the screen. Okay, Miss McCleary?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand you need to really go forward with this probation, do what you're supposed to do, because then that way this case gets dismissed, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You do not have a right to an appeal, and where do you want me to put her, Miss Valverde? What room?
Judge, I'm still doing her paperwork. Can they just?
Okay, we'll
put
just
her
keep
in
her.
line? I'll be there in a little bit. I'm still
We'll just
working on
keep
the
her.
paperwork.
Okay, we're going to keep you because she's working on your paperwork, and then y'all can meet after we're finished, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Can I pair of gloves and go back to the same computer?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you, State.
That's him. It's not us. You're working. That's on his email.
What's that? We got some music going on. Mr. Sanchez, before they get in the room, are you TICing both the regular thefts and we're just going on the MTR?
We're gonna do a time served for the MTR and then a time served on 441, and then I'm gonna TIC
Okay.
908.
Gotcha.
Okay, Karen is here for the bonds and we got pretrial here as well. It's just a
Okay, well,
glance.
all we gotta do is Jorge Rabago.
Yes.
And the paperwork's done, so almost all the paperwork's done. Oh, it's all done now, so he should be good.
He's here, Judge.
Okay, we're ready on Jorge Rabago.
Get it up. It's okay, I'll get it. Come on, bro, get your gloves and throw them in the trash, man. You're not at home? Come on. That's okay. It's all right.
Mr. Rabago, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. Thank you, sir. I'm going to start with 719441. We have 3 cases, but I'm going to start with that one. Who do we have for the state in all the cases?
Steven Sanchez on all the cases, Your Honor.
And for Mr. Rabago, we have Cornelius Cox.
Cornelius Cox on all the cases, Judge.
All right. So on 719441, sir, you were charged with the offense of theft, $750. Looks like you want to enter a plea of
No contest.
no contest. Let me get your paperwork up here. Okay. Plea of no contest. It was a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. Looks like you're waiving your right to a jury trial, your right to cross-examine witnesses, and your right to remain silent. Is that correct, Mr. Rabago?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Cox, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you represented him more than 10 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Rabago, I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I'm going to find you guilty. Mr. Sanchez, what's the agreement?
We're on the MTR, Judge?
No, just we're on
The regular theft?
19441.
Judge, we've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We asked the court to take into consideration cause number 720908, which is a Class A theft, and we asked for this judgment to be satisfied.
All right, and this
that's
will run
correct, Judge.
concurrent with the MTR, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's
Okay.
correct.
Thank you, Mr. Cox. Then let's go back to 709358, which is your MTR, sir, on a theft. Which are you going forward on, Mr. Sanchez? I mean, which number?
We're gonna proceed on condition 21, Judge. On or about the 12th day of March 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jorge Rabago did then and there fail to register for/attend a theft program with the approved agency in violation of condition 21, and we're gonna waive the other violations, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right. And to that, do you plead true, Mr. Rabago?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to accept your plea of true. I'll find it true. And what's the agreement on that case, Mr. Sanchez?
Judge, we've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 12 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, Mr. Rabago. So what looks like to me is two of your cases are judgment satisfied. One has been dismissed. So if you have no other holds, sir, you should be out sometime today or tomorrow. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can't appeal this case, and I wish you the best. Good luck.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr.
Can I be
Cox.
excused?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.